When you open your course, you will land on the home page. Canvas provides your instructor flexibility on homepage options and design. On the right, the sidebar functions the same as on the dashboard, but now displays content specifically for this course. On the left is the course navigation menu. Your instructor can customize this menu to display or hide tools depending on course requirements. Let's take a look at a couple of these tools and how they work in your course. Announcements allow instructors to communicate with students about course activities and post interesting course-related topics. Announcements are designed to allow instructors to broadcast information out to the entire class. Students may be able to reply to announcements. To access your announcements, go to the course navigation and click on Announcements.